Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple: what stands out, what to check, and who the tech gadget is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. BLUE2 features a dual-cavity internal magnetic circuit dynamic driver's design, incorporating a 10mm solid. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Utilizing a DLP, 3D printing process for the cavity and a silicone capping technique, these methods are typically. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying it: the TRUTHEAR X Crinacle 0, BLUE2 has been an outstanding upgrade to my audio setup. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.